Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen. Sadness has consumed the corporate world as Jamaica loses a advertising giant, ladies and gentlemen, in Professor Foote. Greetings in the name of the Most High, Emperor Haile Selassie I the First and Empress Menen the Balance. Ladies and gentlemen, you know I'm Rastafari, soldier of Deep Roots TV. And if this is your first time tuning in, I'm asking you, hit that red subscribe button and we'll have a great relationship. Ladies and gentlemen, a sad and gloomy day in the corporate world in Jamaica as a diplomat has fallen. Professor Foote was found, ladies and gentlemen, at his St. Andrew home, passed away today. Professor Arnold Foote, a long known advertising giant in Jamaica, had had a large in a diplomatic relationship in Jamaica and a wider Caribbean, earning him several accolades. He also earned the respect and adoration of his peer by breaking barriers and marketing standards of excellence in the service of humanity. Foote founding advertising and marketing Jamaica Ltd AdMark in 1964. AdMark played a significant role in development of the ethical standards and principle that grew the advertising and making sector of marketing in Jamaica and the Caribbean today. After 4 decades of contribution to Jamaica, Arnold was tapped by the Republic of Turkey in 1995 to be country's honorary consul in Jamaica. He was then elected by his fellow consul and leader of Consular Corps in Jamaica. In a few months, the Jamaican Consular Corps had a new mission and participated in the meaningful way of the country's development and humanitarian projects. In 2006, delegates from around the world elected Arnold Foote to lead the World Foundation of Consuls. Foote realized that he had a special time to seize the moment and released his biography, The Making of a Global Visionary Journey Through Love, Faith, Justice, Injustice, and Vindication. For his work, Foote received scores of awards, including receiving the Order of Distinction Commander in 1997 for his work in advertising and promotion of trade, and Order of Jamaica in 2010 in recognizing of his service to the Jamaican and international in the fields of advertisement and sports, also in diplomacy. Arnold is survived by his wife, Patricia, who is known as Nee Mills, and has 3 children, Roma, Arnold Foote III, and Kimberly. 6 grandchildren, Arnela, Alexis, Danielle, Brittany, Kathleen, and Arnold. I want to, say my condolences to the Foote family. May your soul rest in peace. Arnold, you did Jamaica a great duty. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari, soldier here of Deep Roots TV. Again, the corporate world moans because they have lost a giant in the Jamaican advertising business, in the Jamaican corporate sector. Ladies and gentlemen, go ahead and leave your comment, leave your condolences to the family. I'm Rastafari, soldier here of Deep Roots TV. Breaking the news. Sadly, the Jamaican corporate world have lost a giant in Arnold Foote. Yes, the founder of the AdMark advertising agency in Jamaica Limited. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, it's a sad day, but RIP, you have done your work and you have served Jamaica a great way. Yes, Onward, soldier. R.I.P. family. And my condolences to all the family. Ladies and gentlemen, you know I'm Rastafari Soldier here of Deep Roots TV. Go ahead and hit that red subscribe button if you have not subscribed as yet.
Greetings.
Yes, subscribe to the channel,
Yes,
share it up, leave your comment, become a part of the Rastaman panel. Yeah, the Rastaman on the YouTube, big up on yourself, families and friends. My condolences again to the Foote family. May your soul rest in peace. Arnold Foote, yeah, you did your thing, my lord. You did your thing.